Happy.
Hey everyone, and welcome to another video from the original Charlotte. So I've been trying to think of what you guys would really enjoy that I've never done before. You know, I've done a lot. I've done like posters, I've done drawing, I've had my laptop choose what to draw, a lot of drawing. I've done interviews, I've searched things on Google, I've done it all, but what I haven't done was baking. And I thought it would be so cool to do a video on baking today, and it also relates on creativity. Basically, I'm going to be baking, but as I bake, I'm going to talk about creativity, and some of the ingredients are going to be like little things that add up to creativity. So we're going to be making brownies today. It's a simple recipe from a box. It already comes with powder and the basic ingredients. All you need is like eggs, vegetable oil, and water. And then we're just going to bake it in the oven and hope for the best and make some creativity. So let's go down to my kitchen. Alright, so I'm in my kitchen, I've greased my oven, all that stuff. Basically, you're going to need one of these. This is Human Instincts. Pour it right into your bowl. Half a cup of inspiration. Pour that into the bowl. Take your whisk and mix it up. It's going to be very thick and chunky. I'll show you. Ta-da! Alright. You're going to need 2 eggs. One of old ideas. And the other egg of new ideas. So the new ideas, maybe you'll get like a new idea for a project or something like that. And then the old ideas you can reference off of what was good and what was not. So this is going to make your creativity batter very thick, you know. Eggs kind of put the whole thing together. Ugh, it's so thick. Okay. Now you want a spatula and you take off the ends of it. There you go. Here's what it looks like. Now you're going to need 1 tablespoon full of water. Solving problems. Another tablespoon of water. It's going to be thinking. And a 3rd tablespoon of water. And it's going to be remembering. Mix it all up. We're mixing. This is getting really awkward. So, there was our recipe for creativity. We needed half a cup of inspiration, old ideas, new ideas, human instincts, thinking, solving problems, and remembering. Very good ingredients, yes. Ooh, it's very thick batter. Here, I'll show you. Ta-da! See that? It's very thick. Okay. Very good. Now I'm going to pour this into our pan. This is, you can see I put flour on it and butter. That's the old way to do it. Now they have like cooking spray and stuff and parchment paper. But now you're just going to tap your whisk on this and also make sure that none of the little chunks are in there. No chunks. I don't like chunks. Okay. Just pat, pat, pat. And pour it in. There you go. You've got brownies. Voila, voila. Now we're gonna wait and put them in the oven once this is done preheating, and we'll get our brownies later, or creativity. Ha 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 ha. Here it goes. Alrighty, let's hope for the best.
24 minutes later.
Alright, so I just heard the timer off, and we're gonna get the brownies from the oven. They look pretty good. Here, I'll show you. Ta-da! That's perfect. Alright, now we're gonna let it cool off, and I'll check back with you in a moment. Alright, everyone, I'm in my living room. I got my dog right there. Say hi. Okay. Anyway, I've got my brownies already made. Here they are on a cake tray. You can see they're very nice. This is not how much it made. It made a lot more, but those are in my kitchen currently, and some of them have crumbled into little brownie bits. So I'm gonna let you try one. I tried one already. They're very good. Tastes good, right? And there are my creativity brownies. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more baking on this channel, then give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. I post every 3 weeks for creativity posts, and I am announcing that I'm going to keep on posting over the summer. Because you know, it's going to be a fun, creative summer. I'll see you all in 3 weeks, and goodbye.